Hi mathematicians! Today we're going to talk about how I can use my doubles facts to help me add. The first thing I need to do is remember my doubles facts. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals, that's right, 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 5, that's right, 10. 6 plus 6, 12. 7 plus 7, 14. 8 plus 8, it equals 16. And 9 plus 9, it equals 18. So now that we know our doubles facts, we're going to use it to help us add. I have a problem. 2 plus 3 equals, I don't know. So I'm going to show you today how we can use our doubles facts as a strategy to answer this problem. So here are my doubles facts. 2 plus 3. Well, it's not a doubles fact because I'm not adding the same number. I'm adding one more. So I'm going to look at this first number here and let's see. It's not 1 plus 1. 2 plus 2. That's pretty close. 2, 2. 3. It's not a double, but I can use 2 plus 2 equals 4. But I'm not adding 2. I'm adding one more than 2. I'm adding 3. 3 is one more than 2. So I have to think to myself, well, what's one more than 4? What's one more than my answer to my doubles fact? Well, one more than 4 is 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now I can check my answer using the counting on strategy. I'm going to put 2 in my head and count on 3. 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's try another one. 4 plus 5. I don't know what that is, but what I do know are my doubles facts. So I need to find a doubles fact that is close to 4 plus 5. I'm going to look at the 4. Which double fact is close? Oh, 4 plus 4. 4, 4. I'm going to use this doubles fact. 4 plus 4 equals 8. But I'm not adding 4. I'm adding one more than 4. I'm adding 5. So I need to add one more to the answer of my doubles fact. One more than 8 is 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Let's check that using our counting on strategy. I'm going to put 4 in my head and count on 5. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 does equal 9. So now let's review. First, find the double fact that is close or one away to my current addition sentence. Then find the sum, which is the answer, of that double fact. Think, what is one more than that answer? That is now the sum of your near double fact. Now it's your turn to try to solve some on your own.